This featured paper is written by Moon Ji-bin, Nam-Hyun-Woo and their colleagues on exploiting synthetic data for data imbalance problems. This paper deals with data imbalance in huge datasets used by neural networks. In this paper, researchers have proposed a simple yet effective baseline SynOrg that utilizes synthetic data as a preliminary step before employing task-specific algorithms to address data imbalance problems. This straightforward approach yields impressive performance on datasets such as Cipher 100 LT, ImagineNet LT, UTK-Face, and Waterbird, surpassing the performance of existing task-specific methods. This is quite a fascinating research, and I will drop the link of this paper in PT's description so that you can read the abstract and also the actual paper in PDF format or any other format. Thank you.